Hey ladies, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Your work in week 2 was awesome. You guys did a great job learning together, asking hard questions, and really muddling through that. That part is so tough. The goals are tough, but once you get that, the rest is easy. So this week we're going to be talking about assessments. And so what you will often find is that instructional designers and teachers and everyone in the world will get those goals together and then they jump into creating content. But what you actually want to do is create the assessments, because once you know the goals, you have to figure out, how am I going to know if they met the goals? And then once you have your assessments built, then you can go back and fill in some of the content, because that will make sure that you're giving them everything they need in order to reach the goal that you're going to assess in a particular way. So also, I wanted to make sure you know that I got another question related to how much you're building out. Again, you're not building out the entire course. You are building out aspects of the course or modules of the course. So in the end of this class, you will give a presentation. It'll just be recorded. You can use Screencast-O-Matic or Kaltura or something else, and you'll showcase what you did and explain why you did it. So you could build out maybe 2 modules completely, or maybe you fully build out 1 module and then you want to showcase something else, so you place that somewhere else and then just go to it during your presentation. The idea is just to showcase everything that you're learning each week in our class. So there aren't strict rules around that, and I know it's a little bit gray and wavy, and you'll just have to make some decisions on that. But if you want to talk through it, please let me know. I understand that it can be a little bit frustrating, but just know that my goal is to look for how you are applying what we're learning. So it's not a matter of building out an entire class. But one thing I will say also is that you don't need to be a content expert. Remember that this is all about design choices, not about becoming an expert in the content. So in a situation, let's say that you decide for the assessment, you would create a multiple choice exam. You will go into your Sandbox course, create a multiple choice exam. I don't really care what the questions are, because you're not a content expert. I'm not asking you to do that. I'm asking you to make choices about assessment and then show how you would do that in the class. So keep that in mind. Again, if you have questions, please let me know. Have a great week, and I look forward to your work and our discussions.